Most beginners lose money not because they are bad traders, but because they are using the wrong time frame in their forex analysis. In fact, the time frames you choose can instantly decide whether you win or you lose a trade. So today, I will be showing you the best time frame for beginners and the secret method to combine them like a professional. Now, many people have been saying, Mr. Joshua, which time frame is good for beginners? Now, these time frames are not just good for beginners, even professionals use this time frame. Now, are you confused about which time frame to use as a beginner? Which one do you want to use in your trading? Now, we have different time frames which I will be showing us. Now, I have to sit down and write this material. Now, if you need this material, just comment on the comment section, I need the material, and I will drop the material to you. You'll get the material. Now, this is a material that I've sat down and I have put together with my 10 years experience on forex trading, and it will help you go a long way in your trading career. So if you are confused about which time frame for you to use, either the 1 minute time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, or the 5 minutes time frame, the 1 hour, the daily time frame, now you are going to be clear on which time frame you use and why you should use them. Most beginners destroy their account because they jump between charts without understanding what each time frame is actually designed for. And in this video, you will discover the best time frame for beginners, the secret 3 time frame confirmation method that I use, and why small time frame make you lose money quickly, how to know when a trend is real or a fake, the perfect time frame for entry, exit, and the combination of all this time frame. Now, watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I will be showing you the 3 time frames analysis, the 3 combinations that will help you, either you are trading forex or you are trading crypto. These 3 time frames will help you go a long way in your trading career. Now, whether you trade forex indices, synthetic indices, boom and crash, or even the crypto, this breakdown will actually change how you look at chart forever, and you will thank me later. Now look at the forex chart. This is a forex, and this is a 1 hour time frame. Now look at the time frames. We're having the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, the 15 minutes time frame. We're having the 30 minutes time frame. We're having the 4 hours time frame, the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. All of these time frame have their meaning and significance in the market. But as a beginner in forex trading, which time frame is the best? Let's move and see. Let's dive into this seriously to see what we're actually looking at. Now, why time frame matters? The first thing is that time frame is the foundation of trading. Why? Because it decides how much noise you see in the market, which means that the lower the time frame, the more the noise you see in the market. How many fake signals appear is based on the time frame that you use. If you use the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, you're going to see many fake signals which appear. Why do we decide to look at this time frame analysis? Because how fast you take your trade is determined by the time frame that you use. How stressed you become, it based on the time frame that you use. Because when you use a lower time frame, you're going to be stressed. We're talking about mental stress, not hard work. Mental stress, emotions, psychology. We're talking about mental stress. Why? Because the lower the time frame or the smaller the time frame, the more the stress that you go through. And how accurate your trading is based on the time frame that you use for your analysis. Now, beginners lose because they use lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame and the 15 minutes time frame, without understanding what is happening on the bigger chart, which is the bigger time frame. Now, the best time frame for beginners is the 15 minutes chart. I always tell my traders, my student, that the best time frame, in fact, even for professionals, till today I still do my trading on 15 minutes time frame. Now let me prove to you. Now this is my group, and if you look at it well, you discover that I use the 15 minutes time frame most times. It's only on the rare times that I use Look at it here. You see it's 50 minutes time frame. 50 minutes time frame. Look at it. At the top is 50 minutes time frame. Look at this again. 50 minutes time frame. Look at this 50 minutes time frame. Look at this 50 minutes time frame. Look at this 50 minutes time frame. You see, I'm not using 30 minutes, I'm using 50 minutes. That even as I am after my 10 years of experience, 50 minutes time frame. You see it? 50 minutes. Okay, this one is 1 hour time frame. It's 1 hour time frame. This one is 15 minutes time frame. You see, this one is 15 minutes time frame. This one is boom and crash. Boom 1000 is 15 minutes time frame. You see, I made $31, and this is also 15 minutes time frame. Yes, on this 15 minutes time frame, you see 15 minutes time frame. You see 15 minutes time frame. Snapper entry. You see it 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes. All the trade, they are on 15 minutes time frame. All of them are on 15 minutes time frame. So the best time frame for beginners is the 15 minutes time frame. The 15-minute time frame is the perfect balance time frame for beginners and for pro. Now, because it is not too fast, it is not too slow, it has clean structure. You can see clean structure there, less noise, it is accurate, the signal there is accurate. Now you have enough trading opportunity on the 15 minutes time frame compared to other time frame. Enough trading opportunity on the 15 minutes time frame. That's why you see that almost all my trade, I trade them on 15 minutes time frame. If you are not seeing me trading on 15 minutes time frame, you see me trading on 1 hour time frame. Now beginners see clear trend and avoid the 1 minute word 1 minute time frame trap. Now, the real problem with the 1 minute and the 5 minutes chart is that the lower time frame are full of spikes. They are full of noise. They are full of manipulations. They are fake breakout. They have fake signal. They stress traders, and over trading is not allowed. Your brain can't handle the speed at which this trade on 1 minute time frame and 5 minutes time frame works. So you make emotional word decision instead of technical the decision. You make emotional decision. So I always suggest that. Now, the mother time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the mother time frame is the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame reveals the true market direction. It shows you the real trend. It shows you the real reversal. It shows you key levels and structure breakout. That is why if you notice my trade, I only focus on 15 minutes time frame and then the 1 hour time frame. In fact, there are some times that I used to mix 4 hour time frame, but most times it is 1 hour time frame and then the 15 minutes time frame. You must consult 1 hour time frame before taking a trade on any lower time frame at all. You must consult what? You must consult the mother time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, before you can what? Take any decision in all of these time frames. Now, like I promised us, I said at the end of this video, I'm going to teach us how you can combine the 3 time frame. Now, the 3 time frame confirmation method, the best for beginners. Here is the simplest and the most accurate system for beginners. Step number 1 is trend direction. The 1 hour time frame gives you the trend direction. Now, check if the market is uptrend or downtrend or in a range. You only trade in that direction, whether it is in the in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Now, don't trade a ranging market. Once you see a ranging market in 1 hour time frame, don't trade it. That is it. Don't trade it. That is the mother time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. The second step is the decision time frame, which is the decision making time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame. Now, this 15 minutes time frame, it will help you to identify pullbacks, it will help you to identify break of structure, it will help you to identify support and resistance zone, and also rejection zone. Now, this is where you analyze the setup that you see from the 1 hour time frame. The setup that you see from the 1 hour time frame, you come down to a 15 minutes time frame, and then you analyze it. And step number 3, that's the entry time frame. Now, you can either use the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes as your entry time frame. Now, use the 5 minutes chart to enter with precision. That is snapper entry precision.
If you watch my video on sniper entry, it will help you a lot. In this channel, you see a video called sniper entry. I show you, in fact, it was a live trade. It was a live trade. I did a live trade on that. Now, sniper entry, you will get good entry for better stop loss, for better entry, high risk to reward. You will get it on the 5 minutes world time frame. Now, best time frame by trading styles. Now, based on your trading style, we have best time frame for that. Now, if you are a scalper, you are scalping, you look at the trend on the 30 minutes time frame, and then the setup on the 15 minutes time frame, and your entry point on the 5 minutes time frame. And if you're a day trader like me, which I am, I look at the trend on the 1 hour time frame, I look for setup on the 15 minutes time frame, and then entry on the 5 minute time frame or the 1 minute time frame. But I prefer the 5 minutes time frame for sniper entry. And then the swing traders, you look for trend on the 4 hours time frame, and your setup on the 1 hour time frame, and then entry at the 15 minutes time frame. Now, the combination of these time frames that we actually produce a good result. When you combine them, it will produce an amazing result, and it will protect your account from being what? For being lost. Now, this brings about what? Accuracy. The 1 hour time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, and then the 5 minutes time frame. This is the most stable and beginner friendly combination of time frame analysis. Watch this video to the end and repeat it over and over again, so that you get full understanding of what we are talking about. The only time frame beginners should use, that many professionals will not show you. This is the time frame: the 15 minutes time frame, the 1 hour time frame, and the 5 minutes time frame. Now, if you find this video interesting, smash the like button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. Don't forget to comment so that I can send you this particular material that I have sat down and I've done crazy work on it, so that you will be able to go through it over and over for your learning. Thank you for so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. I am Mr. Joshua, that help traders trade the smart way. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.